Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Warning: prior to installation, you must disconnect the battery before proceeding. Begin the installation by removing the column tilt lever. Continue by unscrewing the bottom column cover retaining screws. We suggest moving the shift selector boot to help with removal. Then remove cover. Next, remove upper cover. Begin by removing the ignition lock cylinder by turning the key to the start position. Again, make sure the battery is disabled prior to this point or vehicle will start. While holding the key in the start position, depress the release tab on the lock cylinder, accessible through the hole in the top of the ignition housing, with a small screwdriver and remove lock cylinder. Note: you may have to wiggle the lock back and forth to fully engage release tab. Once removed, install your new ignition lock cylinder in the ignition housing. Once your new lock cylinder is in position, reconnect the battery. Key programming procedure. First, remove and separate the new transponder keys from the keyring. Then, insert the non-transponder key into the ignition and hold the original key next to the lock cylinder. While holding the original key in place, turn the non-transponder key to the on position for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn the key to the off position and remove it from the ignition. Tech note: keep the original key away from the lock cylinder for the remainder of the programming procedure. Insert the first new transponder key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for 10 seconds. Then turn it to off and remove the key from the ignition. Insert the second transponder key and turn it to on for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, turn the key to off and remove it from the ignition. The new transponder keys are now programmed and ready for use.